Hi everybody, this is Cheryl. Welcome to the Christmas Advent activity for December 19th. But Mary treasured up all these things and pondered them in her heart. Luke 2:19. Christmas is a season of memories and reflection. Mothers especially love to recall the giggles and wide-eyed expressions of their little ones on Christmas morning. Mary, the mother of Jesus, must have felt pleased at all the fuss made over her special child. She knew with all her heart that her child was the Son of God, but rejoiced in knowing that so many other people had heard the same message from God's angels. What memories Mary would have all her life of this special time. Your family can share their own memories this Christmas. For the activity today, make a treasure box of memories to celebrate what God has done for your family. Decorate a shoebox or use an old jewelry box to make a treasure chest. Have your family go through picture albums of Christmas past or special times that your family has experienced. Include pictures of friends and family dear to your hearts. Place these inside the treasure chest. Cut out heart-shaped pieces of paper and ask family members to write one or two things they treasure most about your family. Younger children can draw pictures. Tuck these inside the box. This week, as Christmas approaches, reach inside and share your treasures with one another. Now, we didn't have any kind of shoebox or a lidded box, but we have these tin boxes that I had bought years ago, and it looks like a treasure chest. So we decided that we would use these, and we're going to write on these heart-shaped pieces, special things. And basically, you just draw out, one or two a day, or one for each member of your family, and just talk about it, and remember. And, we're going to put enough in here that, now Chris won't participate in this part of it, but we're going to put enough in here that, the twins and I can all pull out one a day up until Christmas. And that way we can focus on, special things in our lives. Now for tomorrow, you're going to bake cookies. So if you haven't done your Christmas baking yet, here's a good chance to do that. So pull out your favorite recipes. You're going to be baking. All right, y'all have a nice day. Bye.